Today I decided to bring some new flavours to the table. I have made some Japanese firecracker chicken. I have used some simple ingredients to put together this distinctive tasting chicken. This is my go-to chicken recipe because it is so quick and easy to make. So I'm going to start by cutting up some coriander into small pieces like so. So I'm just making a buttery garnish for the chicken that I will use to brush onto the chicken later after it's cooked. So I have added just half of that to a little bowl with some chilli flakes. I'm now going to add some garlic paste and some butter. I'm going to set that aside for later. I'm now going to cut up some scotch bonnet. It's entirely up to you how much you use. They are quite spicy, so I wouldn't use too many. And now for the main marinade, I'm going to add some pepper to a bowl with some smoked paprika. I'm also going to add some red chilli flakes. And in goes some salt and some lemon juice. I'm now going to add some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to go in with a little bit of dark soy sauce. And finally a drizzle of olive oil. I'm going to give that a really good mix until all them ingredients are combined well. I'm now going to pour that marinade all over my chicken legs. So I'm now going to add some garlic paste. I'm going to add some of that coriander we chopped up earlier and some scotch bonnet. I'm going to give that a really good mix and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. I'm going to arrange the chicken in an oven tray and cover the top with foil. This is now going in a preheated oven at 200°C for 1 hour. So after 1 hour it looks like the chicken is completely cooked through. I'm going to place them uncovered back in the oven for just 10 minutes.